morning, one and all. My name is K. Nikhil Sir. 20951A048 PCB section. My today concept video topic is two-port parameters: reciprocity, symmetry, passivity, and linearity. Reciprocity, symmetry, passivity, and linearity are fundamental properties of network. A network is linear if the response, voltage and current is linearly dependent on the drive level, and superposition also applies. So if the two port is linear, the current I1 and I2 are linear functions of V1 and V2. An example of linear network would be one with resistors and capacitors. A network with a diode would be an example of non-linear network. This figure shows difference between port based and global ground based parameters. Figure A shows port based Z parameters, and figure B shows Z parameters with global ground. C shows port based Y parameters. D shows Y parameters with global ground. C shows port based H parameters, and D shows H parameter with global ground. In figure 2.2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.1, the Z, Y, and H parameter equivalent circuits for port based and global ground representations. The intermittents are shown as impedances. A passive network has no internal source of power, and so a network with an embedded battery is not a passive network. A symmetrical two-port has the same characteristics at each of the port. An example of symmetrical network is a transmission line with a uniform cross-section. A reciprocal two-port has a response at port 22 from an excitation at port 11. That is the same as the response at port 11 to the same excitation at port 22. As an example, consider the two-port in figure 21A and V2 equals to 0, V2 equals to 0. If the network is reciprocal, then the ratio I2 V1 with V2 equals to 0, V2 equals to 0 will be the same as the ratio I1 V2 with V1 equals to 0 and V1 equals to 0. Most networks with resistors, capacitors, and transmission lines, for example, are reciprocal. A transistor amplifier is not reciprocal, as gain analogous to the ratio V2 V1 is in just one direction or unidirectional. Parameters based on total voltage and current. Here port based impedance Z, admittance Y, and hybrid H parameters will be described. These are similar to the more conventional ZY and HH parameters defined with respect to the common or global ground. Z parameters are also known as impedance parameters. When we use Z parameter for analyzing two-port network, the voltages are represented as a function of currents. V1 equals to F1 of I1, I2, and V2 equals to F2 of I1, I2, where V1 equals to Z11 of I1 plus Z12 of I2, V2 equals to Z21 of I2 plus Z22 of I2. V1, V2 equals to, in the matrix, Z11, Z12, Z21, Z22 into I1 into I2 equals to Z of I1 into I2. Z11 equals to input impedance keeping output open equals to V1 by I1, where I2 equals to 0. Z12 equals to reverse transfer impedance keeping input open V1 by I2, where I1 equals to 0. Z22 output impedance keeping input open V2 by I1, where I1 equals to 0. Forward transfer impedance keeping output open V2 by I1, I2 equals to 0. Y parameters. Y parameters are also known as admittance parameter. When we use Y parameter for analyzing two parts network, the current are represented as a function of voltage. Y parameter is dual of Z parameters. I1 equals to F1 of V1 comma V2 and I2 equals to F2 of V1 comma V2. I1 equals to Y11 of V1 plus Y12 of V2, where I2 equals to Y21 of V1 plus Y22 of V2. I1, I2 equals to in a matrix Y11, Y12, Y22, Y11 of V1 into V2 equals to Y of V1 into V2. Y11 equals to input admittance keeping output short circuited I1 by V1, where V2 equals to 0. Y12 equals to reverse transfer admittance keeping input short circuited I1 by V2, where V1 equals to 0. Y22 output admittance keeping input short circuited I2 by V2, where V1 equals to 0. Y21 equals to forward transfer admittance keeping output short circuited I2 by V1, where V2 equals to 0. ABCD parameters are also called transmission parameters. Here voltage and current and of input part are expressed in term of output part. V1 equals to F1 into V2 I2 and I1 equals to F2 of V2 I2. V1 equals to A of V2 minus B into I2. I1 equals to C V2 minus D I2. V1 I1 equals to in a matrix ABCD V2 minus I2. A equals to reverse voltage gain keeping output open circuited V1 by V2. B equals to reverse transfer impedance keeping output shorted V1 by I2, where V2 equals to 0. C reverse transfer admittance keeping output open circuited I1 by V2, where I2 equals to 0. T equals to reverse current gain keeping output short circuited with I1 by I2, where V2 equals to 0. H parameters, also known as hybrid parameters. In hybrid parameters, circuit voltage gain, current gain, impedance and admittance are used to determine relation between current and voltage of two-port network. V1 equals to F1 of I1 comma V2 and I2 equals to F2 of I1 comma V2. V1 equals to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2. I2 equals to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2. V1 I2 equals to H11 into H12 into H21 into H22. H11 equals input impedance keeping output short circuited V1 by I1. H12 reverse voltage gain keeping input open V1 by V2. I1 equals to 0. H22 output admittance keeping input open I2 by V2, where I1 equals to 0. H12 forward current gain keeping output short circuited I2 by I1, where V2 equals to 0. Problems on two-port network. Impedance of Z parameter, admittance Y parameter, transmission line parameter, hybrid of H parameter. Two-port network interrelations. Z parameter V1 equals to Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2, and V2 equals to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2, where V1 equals to I1 into Y22 minus I2 into Y12 by Y11 into Y22 minus Y12 into Y21 equals to Y22 into I2 by delta of Y minus Y12 into I2 by delta of Y. Y parameter I1 equals to Y11 into V1 plus Y12 into V2. I2 equals to Y21 into V1 plus Y22 into V2, where V1 equals to Y22 by delta into R minus Y12 into I2 by delta into R. V1 equals to Z11 into I2 plus Z12 into I2. Using Cramer's rule, V1 I1 Y12 I2 Y22 Y11 Y12 Y21 Y22 V2 equals to Y11 into I2 Y21 into I2 by matrix of Y11 Y12 Y22 Y22. Y parameters I1 equals to Y11 into V1 plus Y12 into V2. I1 equals to V1 into Z22 minus V2 into Z12 by Z11 into Z12 minus Z12 into Z21 equals to Z22 into V1 by delta of Z minus Z12 into V2 by delta of Z. Y11 equals to Z22 by delta of Z. Y12 equals to minus Z12 by delta of Z. Y21 equals to minus Z21 by delta of Z. Y22 equals to Z11 by delta of Z, where delta of Z equals to Z11 into Z22 minus Z12 into Z21. Z parameters V1 equals to Z11 into I1 plus Z12 into I2. V2 equals to Z21 into I1 plus Z22 into I2, where V1 equals to Z22 into V1 by delta of Z minus Z12 into V2 by delta of Z, where I1 equals to Y11 into V1 plus Y12 into V2, where matrix V1 V2 equals to Z11 Z12 Z21 Z22 into I1 I2 equals to Z of I1 I2. Using Cramer's rule, I1 equals to V1 into Z12 V2 into Z22 by Z11 into Z12 by Z21 into Z22 equals to, where I2 equals to Z11 into V1 Z21 into V2 by Z11 into Z12 Z21 Z22. Y parameters L1 equals to Y11 of V1 plus Y12 of V2. I2 equals to Y21 of V1 plus Y22 of V2. V1 equals to 1 by Y11 into I1 minus Y12 by Y11 into V2. I2 equals to Y21 by Y11 into I1 plus delta into R by Y11 into V2. H11 equals to 1 by Y11. H21 equals to Y21 by Y11. H12 equals to minus Y12 by Y11. H22 equals to delta into R by Y11. H parameters V1 equals to H11 of I1 plus H12 of V2. I2 equals to H21 of I1 plus H22 of V2. I1 equals to 1 by H11 of V1 minus H12 by H11 of V2. I2 equals to H21 by H11 of V1 plus H11 of H22 minus H12 of H21 by H11 into V2. Y11 equals to 1 by H11 y12 equals to minus h12 by h11, y21 equals to h21 by h21 by h11, y2 equals to delta into g by h11. ABCD parameters. V1 equals to A into V2 minus BI2, I1 equals to C into V2 minus DI2, where I2 equals to minus 1 by D into I1 plus C by D into V2, V1 equals to B by D into I1 plus AD minus BC by D into V2, H11 equals to B by D, H21 equals to minus 1 by D, H12 equals to AD minus BC by D, H22 equals to C by D. H parameters. V1 equals to H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2, I2 equals to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2, I1 equals to minus of H22 by H21 into V2 plus I plus 1 by H21 into I2, V1 equals to minus half H11 into H22 minus H12 into H21 by H21 into V2 plus H11 by H21 into I2, where A equals to delta of G by H21, B equals to minus H11 by H21, C equals to minus H22 by H21, D equals to minus 1 by H21. Thank you.